how to change the input on your LG Smart TV without a remote control. So, if you're on the wrong input and you can't find a remote, all you need to do is press the power button on your LG TV once. This will bring up this little menu, and then you want to just keep pressing it, the power button that is, until you get to the input here. Then press and hold on the inputs here, and this will highlight it, and then you want to single press until you get to the input of choice. So every single press will change the input. Once you're on the input you want, one long hold press to unhighlight it. Then when you leave the button alone and don't press it, the menu will then go away on its own and you'll be on the input of choice. So that's how easy it is to change the input on your LG Smart TV without a remote control. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.